Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're at the Noor Hotel in Kuala, Perlis. We're going to the Cameron Highlands, which is a couple of days riding away. My plan today is to get to Penang, but this weather's not the best, so we'll see what happens whether I stop between here and Penang. All the time on Langkawi, I was looking forward to this breakfast here, but it's Wednesday, and Wednesday's the day the restaurant isn't open, so I'm going to have to go and find some breakfast somewhere. The freeway from here to Penang, straight down the freeway, it's easy, but I've done that 3 times, and I've just found out, looking on the maps, that there is another way we can go. So I've put into Google Maps, avoid tolls. We're going the other way. It's an extra hour or so, but I'm really sick of that highway, guys. So let's go and do some country roads in northern Malaysia. Well guys, I've done it again. I've left my sunglasses somewhere. So the first thing for the day is to find some glasses. Well, this is the restaurant where I got my dinner last night, chicken. My glasses aren't here, so the only other place is the service station. But they were like $5 glasses, so I'm not fussed if I can't find them, but it's annoying. My normal roti for breakfast, so good guys, really, really good. Crispy. The sauce, the gravy's delicious. And the only other place I can think of that my sunglasses would be the service station down the road where I filled up. But even if they're not there, I should be able to buy a pair there. The mystery of the missing glasses. And they don't sell glasses here either. So I'll just go up to the next servo, see if I can get a pair. The next service station is just up here. Petrol station, sorry, calling it a servo, that's a very Australian word. It's been about an hour and a half, and I've done maybe half an hour's Google Maps time. But not because the roads are bad or the traffic, but I've been stopping every 2 minutes trying to get a pair of sunglasses. Because if you look here, I don't know if you can see there, but I'm wearing clear glasses and it's a really bright day. And these traffic lights are broken, which is causing a bit of chaos. A bit of Indian traffic. People here are a lot more thoughtful. Well, that guy had glasses, fake Ray-Bans, which I don't mind fake Ray-Bans, but they were mirrors, and they were so old that the mirrors had turned into chrome. Well, we found some guys. Nothing flash, but they'll do for now. They cost about $2 US. I'm happy. But those $2 sunglasses were just crap. I couldn't read Google Maps, nothing. So I just stopped at an optometrist and I got the pair I'm wearing now for about maybe $13 US. Worth every cent, guys. I can see my phone clear as a bell. I'm not squinting at all. Better than those cheap rubbish. Google Maps brought me another weird way. I don't mind. But yeah, the highway keeps going that way where I was heading. Google Maps sent me this way. Maybe it's because I've got tolls, avoid tolls turned on in there. Must be a toll road that way. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy this. So it's about 2:30 in the afternoon, I think. Just saw a few hotels in one area, so I think I'm going to stop. We'll at least have a look at these hotels anyway. That hotel was fully booked for the night. But I do like this area, there's heaps of different food. Hopefully I can find something here. Oh, here's another one. Let's see if they've got anything here. Guys, this is where I'm staying, the Mode Inn. Best shower I've had in months. These are my new sunglasses. Probably don't look the best here, but they're perfect on the bike. And that's what's important. Look at all these restaurants, guys. All this food everywhere. So I'm gonna try and get a haircut because I'm really looking scruffy. And hopefully have something to eat. But this barbecue place here, apparently it's a buffet. So I'm thinking, but it's not only at night, so I'm thinking maybe I might wait, but I'm hungry now, but maybe I might wait and have the buffet later on. But let's see if I can't find a barber. Yeah, this is Icon City where I am. I can't believe how much delicious food there is here. I want to eat something now, but I do want to try that barbecue buffet. Hello! Is this another... Oh no. I thought it was a hairdresser's. I just went to a hairdresser's. It was like $15 for a haircut. Yeah. I had to wait half an hour. I would have done it if it was straight away, but let's see if we can find something cheaper. Well, hot pot with 2 different soups and barbecue, all you can eat for 2 hours. It cost me about, maybe about 15 US, which is, I'm happy. So I'm going to sit here for my full 2 hours and make the most of it. Morning. It's really dark, but it's getting on nearly 7 o'clock. I'm looking for breakfast, but it doesn't look like this really is a nighttime place. None of the restaurants were open yesterday afternoon, or only a few of them were. But the hotel that I first looked at yesterday, I'm hoping that they'll do breakfast, but let's go and see, because I'm pretty hungry. And I've booked a hotel on the Cameron Highlands. It's about 3.5 hours Google Maps ride away. So we don't want to leave here too early or we'll be waiting for our room. But, well, yes, nothing. This was thriving last night. You'd think there'd be at least one restaurant here. And the guys at my hotel couldn't give me any advice. You'd think they'd know where to send their guests for breakfast. Anyway, guys, I'm waffling. I'll let you know when I find breakfast. If I find breakfast, I might have to jump on the bike and head up the road, find something along the highway. Well, this is the hotel I'm going to stay at, but they were full last night for about $6.50 US. This beautiful buffet breakfast. So I'm going to eat for about an hour, then we'll go back and pack. We're all loaded up, ready to go. Heading to the Cameron Highlands today. I booked a hotel there. I think I told you at breakfast, but I booked a hotel there for 3 days so we can have a good explore of the area. But for now, let's hit the road. And it's just been this beautiful bitumen twisting and turning. I've got the angels playing in my helmet. What a morning, guys, and I've got another hour of this before we get to our hotel. What a way to spend after a morning. Yes, it is morning. That was, guys. I can't stop grinning. Really, that's the most fun I've had since northern Pakistan. But really these roads were perfect, so I was able to sit on 80, 90 k's and just really fly through those bends. What a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to doing more of it. When I leave here, I'm going to head further into the mountains, I've decided. That was just so much fun. And this is my hotel, the Copthorne. It looks really flash, but it was reasonably priced. It was maybe 35 US, which might sound like a lot, but up here it's not that much. The only places I could have got much cheaper were dormitories, and I'm not staying in a dormitory, guys, no. So yeah, the room's all right. I'll show you the room later maybe. But for now, I'm going to jump on the bike, which is downstairs in the car park, and I'm going to go and try and find some soda water, maybe some lunch. And I found a shop. They had 11 soda waters, so I took them all, just small bottles. But that should do me for today and tomorrow at least. And now I'm looking for some food, but as usual I can never make up my mind what I want. Let's go. I think I've decided what I'm going to have. I think I'll just get some noodles, some chicken and some maybe a curry. Go back to my room. Morning. Having breakfast. It's not too good, but hopefully it's just a fog and the fog will lift. We can go and do some exploring. But for now, I'm pretty sure I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.